I'm working on the inlay on the foot of the nest of tables. This inlay here that goes into this curvature, and the holly needs to be shaped to fit. So I'm working with a hot soldering iron here and wetting the holly and bending over that soldering iron to give it more curvature. Oops, I'm upside down here. This is the way. Goes in like that, and I need a little bit more bend right in here. Got a little miter joint up there at the top. That's much better. All right, yeah, that's gonna stick. So I'll just go ahead and paint the glue on there. There's a little bit of a taper down here at the end because I got the piece that comes down the other side needs to fit up against it. Seems to be sticking in there. Okay, I think I'm going to stop there and clean out this other side and get that piece of holly ready. About a 30-second. Got to taper it down to about a 30-second down here at the bottom.